The essentially kind of current exchanging volume of Avalanche in a real sense is at $296 and $896.45 in an unobtrusive manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which truly is genuinely critical. Avax's medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Avalanche's MA 10 sort of shows a vertical pattern in a significant manner. 31 Walk 2024. In this video, we will truly walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of generally attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally sought. Clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is reasonably truly momentary cost expectation for Avalanche, especially basically as Avax an excellent interest in a genuinely enormous manner. Avalanche support and opposition levels and so forth, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to jumping in every way that really matters profound into the Avax specialized examination, explicitly let us basically discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461. So Avalanche's MA 10 by and large shows a vertical pattern in a genuinely enormous manner, or so they thought. The sort of absolute exchanging volume truly generally remains at $62, 396, 878.40, which especially is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally in every way that really matters significant way incredibly, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 2.26% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner in an unobtrusive way. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely critical. Sol, the by and large local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere near $17, and as of now exchanging at $196.69, showing how the exceptionally current exchanging volume of Avalanche, especially in a real sense, is at $296, 896.45 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions especially basically show that the market is going in a fundamentally in every practical sense descending course for genuinely present moment, which by and large is genuinely huge, which basically is genuinely critical. Right now, a very broad fundamentally bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which basically is very critical, which basically is genuinely huge. Avalanche backing and obstruction backing in opposition in every way that really matters, basically are significant specialized pointers used to especially fundamentally recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they generally thought. Support in every practical sense, essentially is a level at which purchases very become certainly more truly dynamic, and especially for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition essentially is a level at which merchants sort of move reasonably kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Avalanche Avax Avalanche execution, the truly current Avalanche value sort of is $53.69, with an exchanging volume of $296, 896.45 in the beyond 24 hours, which by and that's what large shows Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which especially is very critical. Right now, Avax especially is somewhere around 69% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $22.63, 592, 164 USD, so which most certainly truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 74%, entirely all goals and purposes in opposition to prevalent thinking amazingly. Avalanche value examination Avax cost examination for 31 Walk 2024 inside an everyday time period truly made sense of underneath, so as of now, a really broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength indexacy, moving commonly normal combination and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including especially sort of straightforward moving, certainly normal SMA and remarkable moving, especially normal MA, to basically break down the future development of the Avalanche, by and large. Further appearance how 31 walk 2024. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part clarified some things, facts. What most certainly is momentary cost expectation for Avalanche, sort of is Avax a kind of wise speculation, which especially certainly is genuinely critical. While Avax's Williams percent R pointer essentially is at 46.57 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. Exchange pretty sort of sign fundamentally is by and large conceivable. At this reach, the Avax moving especially normal combination and uniqueness MACD marker sort of is demonstrating a very present moment fundamentally sell pretty sign, as the MACD line truly is moving underneath beautiful sign line, which truly implies truly generally bears explicitly are ruling on the lookout. Further appearance how these occasions essentially show that the market generally is going in a by and large descending heading for essentially present moment, or so they for the most part thought, which certainly is genuinely critical. The kind of relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the Avax coin fundamentally explicitly is in oversold stage, as RSI especially truly is at 29, which generally shows that the sort of relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Avax coin really is in oversold stage, as RSI essentially is at 29, or so they most certainly thought in a truly significant manner. Ends Avalanche in every practical sense has fundamentally truly scarcely any recuperation risks and could sort of by and large keep testing prompt obstruction level of $16.66 before very long, showing how as of now Avax generally is somewhere near 0.69% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of 2022 at 63,592 $164 USD, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70,740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, or so they basically really thought. While the in every practical sense steady bullish development in the genuinely by and large cryptographic money space can especially keep Avax financial backers confident, exhibiting how we utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving kind of truly normal combination and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including commonly straightforward moving genuinely normal SMA and dramatic moving decently fundamentally normal MA, to basically examine the future development of the Avalanche. Certainly further appearance how 31 walk 2024. In this video we will in a real sense truly walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and especially attempt